Hello and welcome to this masterclass. In this masterclass, I want to give you an opportunity to do a business diploma course. This is for people that visit my site or my channel, okay? If you are a returning subscriber, I welcome you. If you are just viewing for the first time, I encourage that you subscribe to be able to have access to every course that I post on this platform. Now, this is what we call the Master of Business in the Street program, organized by Interweave Solutions. So Interweave Solutions is an organization that has designed this course for people who have not had any business training, okay, in their entire business career. If you have a business or you are even selling some things, sometimes to even be able to afford a business training is very difficult. So this is worth $200 that Interweave Solutions is giving to you for free, okay? So it's called the Master of Business in the Street program. In this masterclass, I'm also going to teach you how to be able to register for this masterclass. You'll be able to receive this graduation certificate. You can add it to your CV as a business owner. It can help you to be able to get facility or funds from a microfinance or a bank, because you are more trained and more likely to be able to raise money with your business and pay back loans that they offer to you. These are some people that have offered the business course all over the world. Okay, so to be able to register for the course, you can click on the link in the description to this video. This link is there, okay? So kindly paste it in your browser, copy it, place it in your browser, and then click enter on your PC or your mobile phone, okay, or mobile device. So this is a participant sign up form that you would be shown. So then you can enter your email address, okay? So I'm entering an email address, and then the password that I want for the course. So please put in or enter in a password that you'll be able to remember. Okay, so I'll use AA. Okay, I'll use AA, small letter A's, and the name is. So this is a demonstration I'm making. So this is not my real name, okay? So this is just a name that I'm using for you to understand, so that you can also register. So you choose your country and your city, okay? Kindly choose your country and your city. And the WhatsApp number you want to use, okay? So you can type your WhatsApp number. Okay, so then you click on send. When you click on send, you will be ushered on this page. This is a participant sign up form for the course, okay? So this is a free course in a way that I'm giving to only people that visit my channel. This is a business channel, a business masterclass channel. So this is a course that will prep you for everything that you need to know. So they are asking, I have my own business. So if you have your own business that you've started, yes. If no, you click okay. I have a plan to improve my home and personal life. If it's yes, you click on what? Yes, always. I serve in my community usually, or you choose the. So you go through all this, and then I save money regularly. Then my family spends less than what they earn. So if your family spends less, if it's more than what they earn, then you indicate, okay, then my family can afford the basic necessities of life. Then I keep business records. So if you have a business, then it means you can also answer. So I keep business records. So when you are done, you click on send. Okay. Now you'll be ushered on this anytime you visit. So it has brought you to a pop-up page, and this page is what? myplatform.interviewsolutions.org. So you'll be ushered onto this pop-up page. Okay. When you are ushered onto this pop-up page, then you would be able to also log in. So the link for this myplatform.interviewsolutions.org is different from the link used to register. So there and there you can just log in, and then you'll be ushered to be able to do the course. Okay, you'll be able to do this course. So the password, I used AA, small letter A's. Okay, so I log in. So immediately you log in, hola, you see this course is available for you. So Master of Business in the Streets. So you start course. Okay, so this is the course. This is unit 1, welcome. This is unit 2. This is unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8, unit 9, unit 10, unit 11, unit 12. Then you are done with the course. So you can just begin the course. Okay, so this course, the Master of Business in the Streets, will provide all the training and qualifications required for your MBA certificate. You will learn the 6 P's of business, how to use business paperwork, as well as money management and self-improvement principles to increase your personal prosperity. If you have any questions, you can email this, and I'll also put the email for this business masterclass in the description to this video. So kindly contact me for anything that you need. Okay, so whenever you are done, so this is the content. So let's click on what content is available. So the course content and the course requirements. Okay, so you need to submit some stuffs. So as you do the course, you need to put, these are checklists. Okay, a checklist. So it will help you know whether you are, so this business plan. So MBS business checklist. So MBS business checklist. So I have completed my business plan, blah blah blah. So kindly go through this site, click on the link in the description to this video, start this course, and let me know in the comment section when you register. Let me know if you like this video and you want more of this video. Kindly comment in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to this masterclass channel, as well as kindly message the email address in the description to the video. Description to this video means that the part that I've written something in addition to this video. So you can contact me, and if you need any help with this course that I'm giving to you, let me know. Have a blessed time. See you in my next masterclass. Bye.